This is the story of my life. I got a 100-pound lab and a ringneck, and they fight over my attention. Right, guys? Savvy. What do you have to say? You bite at the dog's claws and ears. What are you doing, Tiki? Tiki bird! What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Thank you. Tiki bird. Savvy, you good boy. Yes, you good boy. Yes. Yes, you good boy. See, he doesn't like the dog getting my attention. He bites at him. Then when he's sleeping, he goes and bites his claws. That's why the dog usually just locks himself in a room away from Tiki. You're a bully, Tiki. Why are you a big bully? Ow! That was my fingernail you just bit. Ow! Fucker, stop. Why are you biting people? No, that's not funny. That's not funny. Huh?